Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Wishing you all a very good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Allah. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Luckily, the weather is on our side today. The sun and I are pleased to offer you a warm welcome. As you all know, I'm your maths teacher, Sadia Ahad. Today, in lecture number 18, you will learn new concepts in the chapter number 5, that is distance. And we just learn exercise 5A in this lecture. Let's begin, my dear students. What is distance? The main difference between distance and length is that the distance is a straight line that connects two points in a measurable space or in an observable physical space. And length is a measured dimension of an object. Distance is a numerical measurement of how far apart objects are. According to the given definition, distance is a numeral measurement or value of how far objects are from each other. In the mathematics, we measure the physical distance between the objects. What measures length? Distance measures length. For example, the distance of a road is how long the road is. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of distance are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometer. In addition, units used to measure the distance. The units to measure the distance are kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Meter and kilometer are the units of distance in the metric system. Otherwise, distance can also be measured in other units such as foot, yards, etc. We measure small lengths in centimeter and millimeters. So, the most common units of distance are kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. These are the short forms of these units. Well, my dear students, here we are going to do conversion of units of length. My dear students, different units can be used to measure the same quantities. It is important to use appropriate units. Some important units are listed below. Like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. These are the conversion of units of length. Okay, my dear students, here we have some important points which is very important for you all. So, listen to me very carefully. First important point is that when a bigger unit is converted to a smaller unit, so we will do multiply. And when a smaller unit is converted to a bigger unit, so we will do divide. Like 1 meter is greater than 1 centimeter, so meter is bigger unit than centimeter. So when we convert meter to centimeter, so we will do multiply it by 100. And why we will multiply it by 100? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Like if we convert centimeter to meter, like smaller to greater unit, so we will do divided by 100. Now in this chart shows like when we convert kilometer to meter, like bigger to smaller units, so we will do multiply here. Again meter to centimeter, so again we multiply it. Then centimeter to millimeter, we will do multiply. And why we multiply it by 1000 when we convert kilometer to meter? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. Below we have backward arrows. These backward arrows shows smaller to greater unit conversion. Now when we convert millimeter to centimeter, so we will do division. Now we divided the number by 10. Then in another example we have centimeter to meter. Again we have smaller to bigger units. So when we convert smaller to bigger units, so we will do division and we divided it by 100 when we convert centimeter to meter. Last we have meter to kilometer when we convert meter to kilometer. So again we will do division and we will divide it by 1000. Meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is bigger unit. So when we convert smaller to bigger, so what we do, we will divide. Here we have centi means 1 upon 100 and kilo means 1000. Now here we have some examples. In the first column we have to convert centimeter to a millimeter, like convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So in first example we have 50 centimeter. To convert centimeter to millimeter, multiply the centimeter value by 10. For example, to convert 50 centimeter to millimeter, so multiply 50 by 10. That makes 500 millimeter. In second example, we have 7.5 centimeter. Now, as we all know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So, to convert centimeter to millimeter, multiply the given number by 10. To convert 7.5 to millimeter, multiply it by 10. When we multiply it by 10, so the decimal point move forward by 1 digit because we have 1 zeros here. So the answer will be 75 millimeter, or we can write 7 centimeter 5 millimeter. In the second column we have to convert a meter to a centimeter unit, like bigger unit to a smaller unit. So meter to centimeter, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have a first example, that is 9 meter. To convert meter to centimeter, multiply the meter by 100. The value which is given like 9 we have, so multiply it by 100. That makes 900 centimeter. Now In second example, we have 5.5 meter. Now multiply 5.5 meter by 100 because we are converting meter to centimeter. So when we multiply 5.5 by 100, so the decimal point moves forward by 2 digits. We have only one digit here, that is 5, so we place 0 here. It's become 550 centimeter, which is the answer. Now we can write it like this: 5 meter 50 centimeter. In the third column, we are converting kilometer to meter. Again, a bigger unit to a smaller unit. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. To convert kilometer to meter, multiply the kilometer by 1000. The value which is given, so we have to multiply the value by 1000. For example, to convert 5 kilometer to meter, so multiply 5 by 1000. That makes 5000 meter. In second example, we have 0.9 kilometer. Now to convert 0.9 kilometer to meter, multiply 0.9 by 1000. We have decimal point here. Again we move the decimal point forward. Why we move forward decimal point? Because when we multiply any decimal number by tens, hundreds and thousands, so we move the decimal point forward with the given digits, with the given zeros. We have 3 zeros here, so we move the decimal point forward by 3 digits. We have only one digit is here, so we write 2 zeros like this. So the answer is 900 meter. In third example, we have 7.896 kilometer. Again, multiply it by 1000. When we multiply it by 1000, so we move the decimal point forward by 3 digits. So the answer we will get 7896 meter, or we can write 7 kilometer 896 meter. Alright my dear students, now here we are convert a smaller unit to a bigger unit. As I told you before, when we convert a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we will do division. In first column, we converting millimeter to centimeter. As we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now in first example we have 58 millimeter. Now convert 58 millimeter to centimeter. So what we do? We will do division. Why we will do division? Because we are converting smaller unit to a bigger unit. So when we will divide 58 by 10, so the answer we will get 5.8 centimeter. We have a decimal number here. How we get it? When we divide any whole number by 10, so but there is no decimal point here, so it's mean the decimal point is written after the number. So here is the decimal point. Move this decimal point backward by 1 digit. Why one digit? Because we have 1 0 here. So the answer will be 5.8 centimeter. Or in other way we can write it like 5 centimeter 8 millimeter. In second example we have 600 millimeter. It is very easy. How we convert it into centimeter? We divide it by 10. And when we divide it 600 by 10, it is very easy. we just cancel the last zeros from both numbers, so we will get 60 centimeter. In second column, we are converting centimeter to meter. Again, smaller unit to a bigger unit. As we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When we convert 400 centimeter to meter, so we will divide it by 100. When we divide 400 by 100, so very easy, just cancel the last two zeros and we have only 4 is left, so it means 4 meter is the answer. So 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. Here we have second example. In second example, the number is given, the length is given is 30 centimeter. Now divide 30 centimeter by 100. Again we have 2 digits here and we divide it by 3 digits here. So what we do? We move the decimal point backward because we are doing division here. How many digits we are going to move backward? We are moving 2 digits because we have 2 zeros here. So here we have decimal point. Now move it backward by 2 digits. So we will get 0.3 here. We are not writing 0 after 3. So the answer will be 0.3 meter. In third example, the length is given 247 centimeter. Now divide 247 centimeter by 100. Again move the decimal point backward by 2 digits because we are doing division here. So we are moving decimal point backward here. There is no decimal point. We just suppose a decimal point after the given number and we move backward by 2 digits. So the answer will be 2.47 meter, or we can write 2 meter 40 centimeter. In third column, we are going to converting meter to kilometer. As we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So in first example we have 7000 meter. 7000 meter divided by 1000. So just cancel last 3 zeros from 7000 and 1000. So we will get 7 kilometer. It's mean 7000 meter is equal to 7 kilometer. In last example, the length is given 1600 meter and we have to convert this 1600 meter length into kilometer. So when we convert 1600 meter to kilometer, so we will do division by 1000. When we divide it by 1000, so again we move the decimal point backward by 3 digits. So we will get 1.6 kilometer. We are not writing these two zeros after the 6. So the answer will be 1.6 kilometer. So in other way we can write it like 1 kilometer 600 meter. Alright my dear students, only attempt the questions written in index. The examples given are only for help purpose and they are not to be done in copy. Only follow the index and do the questions mentioned in index. I hope you people have understood the concept of conversion of a bigger unit to a smaller unit and a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Thank you so much my dear students. This is end of today's lecture. See you in the next lecture with new concepts. Until then, take good care of yourself and keep you and your surroundings clean.